Do you know why most traders don't lose to the market, but to their own mind? At the beginning, you think you're missing a strategy, more indicators, better entries, perfect setups. But as time goes on, you realize you already know what to do. You just don't do it because of fear of cutting losses, fear of missing a move, fear of being wrong. So what happens? You overtrade, you chase the market, you hope instead of following your plan. The truth, money is not your real enemy in trading. Emotions are. When you win, you want more. When you lose, you want revenge. And that's where the real losses begin. A profitable trader is not great at predicting the market. They're great at controlling themselves. They have a plan, they manage risk, and most importantly, they have discipline. Because in trading, you cannot control the market, but you can control yourself. And that's where real profit begins.